Hi students, let's do some solution of algebraic expressions. If we have some expression, we can reduce it to the lowest form algebraically. See, this is the first expression that we have to reduce, this is another expression that we have to reduce here. Try to understand the way of reducing. First of all, try to search the common terms. So, if more than one common term is there, write at once. Then try to take common from the terms. So, here you can see A, B complement, C, D complement, A, B complement, C, D. So, here common is A, B complement, C, which is present in both these terms, first two terms. You can take common A, B complement, C, D complement plus D, plus here take common ABC from these two terms, ABC is common, ABC inside D complement plus D, and according to law D plus D complement is 1. So, A B complement dot C dot 1 plus same way ABC dot 1, and dot 1 means you can remove the 1. So, ABC. And now, you can also try to take the common. Common is now C is common here, A is common here. So, A and C can be common, B complement plus B, which will be 1 again, AC dot 1 equal to AC. This is the answer, the reduced form, reduced term you can see. Let us go through second example. See the common x complement, y complement, z complement. X complement and z complement is common here, and here x and z complement. X complement and z complement is common inside y complement plus y, and in these two terms common is x and z complement inside y complement plus y, and y plus y complement is 1, x complement z complement dot 1 plus x dot z complement dot 1. Now, take again common, you can see z complement is now common, x complement plus x inside, which will be again 1, x z complement dot 1 equal to z complement. This is the final answer. So, in such a way we can apply the laws and we can reduce any Boolean expression. Now, next expression which we have to solve is this one, AB plus ABC plus AB complement C complement plus AC complement. Here take the common AB, 1 plus C, here you can take common A and C complement inside B complement plus 1. 1 plus C is 1. So, A B dot 1 plus A dot C complement dot 1. So, it is A B plus A dot C complement, and you can take A common also, B plus C complement. Now, further you can also draw the logic circuit diagram if it is asked in the question. Sometimes questions can be like there, reduce the expression and draw the logic circuit diagram of the reduced expression. Then how will you draw the logic circuit diagram of this? We have three terms A, B, C, A, B and C. B plus C complement, so you need C complement, and B plus using OR gate, it is B plus C complement, the bracket one. A is here, dot is there, AND gate you have to apply. Finally, A dot B plus C complement. This way you can easily draw the logical circuit diagram. Now, next expression is this one, fourth one. Same way try to search the commons, and you can see here you can A B C plus A complement B. So, here A B C, here maximum common is from here A B is common in these two terms. So, take the common A B, inside write C plus C complement, and A complement dot B will remain as it is. It will be 1, AB plus A complement dot B Now, take again B common, A plus A complement, and A plus A complement is 1, B dot 1 will be equal to 1 and B. This is the final answer. So, this way you can solve the, you can reduce the Boolean expression, but you must know the laws, all the laws you must learn, like absorption law, distributive law, commutative law, associative law, idempotence law, property of 1, property of 0. So, you must learn. That is all. Thank you.
अरे इसकी आवाज़